So part of my practice is also helping real estate investors plan. And so, the old way of doing things is we're just going to, have things in joint tenancy, or we're going to. So this goes hand in hand. It's forming LLCs as well. And what I'll get is calls from from real estate investors saying, well, I want to do a series LLC. The whole point of estate planning is to minimize your risk, take care of your loved ones, pass your property on. At least that's what most people want to do estate planning for. So if we're doing that, one, we probably want to do LLCs. And a big thing that I think a lot of people are not familiar with are, if you retitle an asset in an LLC, one, you might need commercial insurance or other insurance or endorsements on your insurance policy, because you don't want to claim and then the insurance company to deny it. Two, you actually need to update your title insurance. So before you start doing that, we want to talk to the title insurance company and make sure that they're going to cover you. Because if they're not going to cover you, then we skip the LLC and we talk about getting additional insurance, or maybe we don't skip it and we just do it and we take on that risk if you're advised of it and you want to do that. But then also, do we put it into trust? If we put it into trust, how do we do that? What are we planning to do? Do we have a separate land trust? There's all different types of trusts. There's different things to think of, but you need to be thinking about liability protection. And if we're doing LLCs as part of estate planning, I would highly suggest doing separate LLCs, because if you're sued, you have separate checking accounts for each LLC. And as long as you've done everything correctly, you've had your correct meetings, you have your correct documents in place, that's going to mitigate if you do get sued, so that they can't go after everything under one umbrella.